Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video. Make sure you scan all the QR codes. Pause the video if you're on your computer and scan each and every QR code. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Now, everybody, please do not stress what platforms may or may not get shut down. Keep creating content. I repeat, keep creating content. Content is your way to financial freedom because there are always new apps, websites, etc., where content creators can turn their content into money. Yes, money, big money. I need you to pause this video. I need you to scan these QR codes. I need you not to give up. I need you to keep on creating content. If you're a content creator, keep on creating content. I know everybody hearing about the ban on certain websites. Some people saying that TikTok gonna be shut down. Some people say YouTube gonna be shut down. Some people say Instagram gonna be shut down. Some people say Facebook gonna be shut down. Everybody's saying different things or different platforms that's major right now. But if you're watching this, there's always gonna be new platforms created that you can upload your photos, your videos, and make some money. So do not give up. There's always going to be a way to make some money online as well as offline. But I need you to scan these QR codes. Pause the video if you're on your computer. If you're on your phone, go back to the video later on the computer and scan these QR codes. I need you to keep on producing content. Keep on producing content. How to make money fast. How to make money quick. How to make money online. There's ways to make money. There's ways to live in abundance. There's ways to take vacations anytime you want. People are making thousands, even millions of dollars online as content creators, as everyday people. So do not give up. Keep on creating content. Any amount of money that you want, put it in front of you, that you see yourself making every minute, every hour, every day, every week, every month. I just grabbed this bill right here because this is what I had on me. But if you see yourself with $1, then you're gonna get $1. If you see yourself with $5, you're gonna get $5. If you see yourself with $10, you're gonna get $10. $20, $20. $50, $50. $100, $100. It's up to you how much money you see yourself making. Just put that visual in front of you. I just grabbed this bill because this is what I had on hand. But I see myself with millions of dollars, billions of dollars coming to me in abundance. That millionaire mindset. I need you not to give up. If you're a content creator, please watch this video. Please subscribe. Please follow. Please like. Please comment. Please hit the notification bell. Or any platform that you're watching this on. Find a way to be notified whenever I drop a video, post a picture. Yes. Scan these QR codes. I need you to keep that mindset that your birthright is abundance. Anything that you want, you should have. That's great for you. That's going to benefit you. That's going to be a win-win. You deserve a life of abundance. So content creators, do not stress what platforms may or may not get shut down. If that's going to be the case, then learn a way how you create your own website, your own apps, your own blogs, your own platforms. But if you're on this platform right now and it's making you money, keep on creating content until it gets shut down or it don't get shut down. Let's keep on creating content and find a way to put your content out there. But just don't give up. I want to read some positive affirmations for you. All right. So here goes. You can always quit, so why quit now? Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. You have been assigned this mountain to show others it can be moved. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Don't wait for opportunities, create it. You can wish or you can make it happen. If you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working for it. Stay positive. Work hard and make it happen. I got this. I believe in y'all. Keep watching these videos. Keep supporting. Please, content creators, keep on creating content. Keep making your money. Keep promoting your beauty, talent, products, services, events, causes, etc. Scan these QR codes. See what's being offered to you. Keep that mindset that abundance is your birthright. You got this. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support.